Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to get your username on X. So if you have that situation when, for example, you forgot your username on X and you need to recover it, then I have a solution for you. So basically what you want to do is use forgot password button to trigger an email that will include your X username. So I already logged out of my X account to show you how it should look like. So now at your screen you should see your X login page. So you have to tap login at the bottom side of your screen and tap forgot password. And here you should enter the email address or your phone number that is associated with your X account. Then tap next button. And then you have to confirm that you want to receive an email with a confirmation code. Tap next button. And now I'm going to my Gmail application to check any messages from X. Here it is. And basically here, as you can see, I have my X username. And actually, if I go back to X application, it's not necessary that I complete that I enter here my confirmation code. I can just cancel it everything and again tap login at the bottom side of my screen and here enter my username that I have received in my message to basically continue logging into my X account. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.